What's up everybody, John from Old Reading Farm here. Thanks for joining us. Today is December 17th and we got about a foot of snow. So we're just going to kind of show you what goes into getting us up and running on a snowy day. Step 1, shovel.
This is River the barn cat. She's thinking about taking today off. Hi River. Taking the day off? Yeah. She'll take today off. Puppy, what do you think? John, what do you think?
Hate it.
Let me out of this. Hey, the water buffalo is going. Trailblazing. What do you think? Just not. Alright, so this morning I came out here and I gave fresh hay to put down on the ground so the chickens could keep their feet dry, getting fresh food, and I filled up their water. Most of them are gonna take today off probably. All right, got a few more chickens up and out here. They've got a full container of food, hay for their little feet, but inside their coop is nice and warm and dry. They also got fresh water this morning. This is the rest of their hay that I was going to save in case it kept raining. Pepper had other ideas.
Pepper.
Look at the puppy. The pepper. What are you guys doing? Pepper, are you expressing frustration? That is so funny. All right. So it's been a few hours. The snow has slowed down significantly, but not totally stopped. I am going to check on everybody, make sure everybody looks good. I'm going to start in the alpacas because you guys didn't get to come see them in the morning because I just wanted to get them taken care of and then get on with my shoveling life. Greenhouse looks pretty in the snow, huh? Chicken coop. Chickens are a little bit out, not too much. All right, let's go check on the alpacas. So this is our current situation in the alpaca barn. Linda is outside. Hi, sweet girl. And then everybody else is chilling inside. I brought in a bale of hay for them this morning. Their hay feeder. Sorry, pumpkin. Their hay feeder is right out there and it keeps the hay dry for the most part. I guess if I zoom in, a little bit of snow is getting in there, but not too bad. And you know, they've definitely been out there. You can see little alpaca footprints, but I thought it would be nicer for them to be able to eat in here. So we've got, this water trough has a heater in it, so it's got a water hole. And then we've got a bucket. It's almost empty, but it's got a, here's the label, 5-gallon heated bucket. So everybody's got water. Warm place to lay. Though it's funny, Linda, she came inside now to be near Macy. But her fleece is covered in snow and everybody else is dry because she's been outside with a little donut. And we had breakfast inside this morning. Doing a little bit of pooping in here, so I think I might do some cleaning. All right. That's it, ladies, as you were. Got their barn cleaned out best I could. For the most part, they don't poop or pee in the barn. It's just when there's inclement weather. They don't want to go out there. So we're gonna leave them to it. Here's our blueberry patch, covered in snow. Alpaca pasture. Bees are way back there. Berry patch back that way. This is where we put all the garlic back there. We're gonna have a garlic video come out, but this is probably gonna come out first. So under all this snow there's so back here where the Joanne's berry patch sign is, there are I think 7 rows. 3 of them are tulips and the other the other 5 are filled with garlic, so that's good. Oh look, River tried to come outside with me. So that bowl balanced right there. I went into the barn to get her food. I was gonna bring it to the mudroom for her. River, do you want to come back inside? She's hungry. All right, this is what our cattle panel garden looks like. Can't see them, but there are all raised beds in here. Greenhouse, flower market garden. We planted $200 worth of peonies here. I think there's 4 rows. And then that's all the tulips that we planted. Everything is snowy. Pepper, is that your mulch? Pepper, what you doing? Okay guys, so that's about it for this snowstorm video. I think we're gonna top out at about a foot of snow today. So hopefully we don't get any more. Hopefully the power continues to stay on. Hopefully all of our animals have a warm and safe rest of the snowstorm. Thank you very much for watching. So in case you guys don't know, we post videos every Monday and Friday, and we go live every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern time. So check us out, subscribe if you haven't already, give this video a like, leave us a comment, tell you what to think, and as always, thanks for stopping by. Bye everybody.